Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to another simple tutorial video here. And today I'm going to show you how you can convert your YouTube video to MP3 format. So without any delay, let's start the video. First of all, go to your browser, and now this is my YouTube channel. I'm going to my channel, just select here, and I'm going to go to the YouTube studio and download my YouTube video from here. And to download it, just go to your content option here, and here just to download it, just click those three dots here and click download. And as you can see, my download is already began here. And after downloading it, you need to install a application, and the application is called VLC media player. And to download it, just search VLC on your Google. And after searching it, you can see this web page, and to download it, just click this download VLC option here. Just click here, and after that it will automatically start a download to your PC. As I already downloaded this, so I don't need to download it again. After downloaded it, just click the downloaded option here and select yes here, and select yes again and select OK. Just install it the regular the way you always install your software on PC. As you can see, my installation process is finished. Just click the finish option. Now I will go to the VLC option here on my PC. Just click this VLC media player here, and here go to media. Just click this option media here, and you can see the option convert and save. Just select that option here, convert and save, and select your downloaded YouTube video. To select it, just click the add option here and go to your downloaded file. Here is mine one. Just click here and select OK, open. And here to convert it, just select convert. And here after selecting the convert, you can see the different types of options. So we're just gonna make it an audio MP3. Just select this audio MP3 option here. Just select your destination file, go to browse, select any folder that you want to save the converted file to. I'm going to select the music one here. Just select save here and select started. As you can see, the conversion process has begun, and it also finished. So to see the converted file, just go to the file that you saved on, and here this is as you can see, this is my MP3 version of the YouTube video. So this is the video, and I hope this video helps you. And if this video helps you, consider subscribing to my channel, and I will catch you guys on the next one.